Everybody, this is Dennis, and there's my lovely bride, Michelle. Hello, Michelle.
Hi.
What have you been busy doing?
I've been making Roman shades.
Roman
And
shades.
we're about ready to take it and put it up into the window.
Okay, now these are really cool. See, they gap up, or you hoist them like a sail. This is made out of sailcloth, right? Yes. Kind of like sailcloth, huh?
Yeah.
But it has these really cool. I don't know if you can see it close enough.
Kind of like a twirl.
But it's like a twirl. But see the ships, and there's an old sketch of the Hawaiian Islands. Anyway, I'm going to close off now and come back later with them up, because I'm going to go stick them up. Bye-bye. Aloha. Okay, what are you working on now, Michelle? Still the same thing?
Same thing in a different window, and now I'm attaching the cord.
Attaching the cord. This is important, right?
Oh gosh, yes. If you don't have the cord right, then they're not gonna turn it around.
If the cords aren't right.
It's not gonna pull up.
Okay. Now you have the pull on the right side, correct?
I have it on the correct side, yes.
Okay. And so see all those little, let me get a little close up here. See those little rings there? She threads the cord up through them. Michelle made these in the whole 9 yards, and I cut some wood out and we put it all together. And why do they call them Roman shades?
I don't know.
We should Google that, huh? Anyway, we'll add this to the other tape. So got the one behind over the sink done, and now we're moving on to the new windows next to the stove. Hi, Michelle. This is the last video we're going to do on this.
Okay, good.
So you got your Roman shades up. What's really cool, this is kind of like an antique nautical chart, and that is the island of Oahu back from like the who knows when, but it was when it was called Pacifica, the Pacific. And what's really cool, look at what a master or a mistress seamstress Michelle is. See how Hawaii mistress seamstress, what do you call it? I don't know.
Say seamstress.
Anyway, she is a master at what she does. Because look at how on that first fold, how the Hawaiian Islands is right there. I mean, everything's like perfectly cut. I mean, that is amazing how she does that. And it walks that way all the way across to this big long one over here. Anyway, this takes care of the nautical theme for our kitchen and living room, yeah? Okay, God bless everybody. Aloha.